guys, what's up? It's Assassin Alchemist with another unboxing video. And today we're showing off the Vita vault case. And yeah, it's pretty pricey, but I heard good things about it. And to be honest, this is was my first choice to buy the case. Like, I wanted this one first, but you know, money issues, so I just bought this one, which is pretty good. But you know, I move around a lot and stuff happens, so I decided to buy this one later on. Finally got it. Now I can't open it. Ow. Okay, there you go. I got it. Got one side. This side. Okay. Doing this one-handed again. I seriously need to buy like a stand. Oh. Well, anyways, I heard a lot of good things about this, and it's supposed to be the best one in the market so far. And it's pretty much empty in there. In a box like this, wrapped, plastic, blah blah. So already, right now, I can feel it. This is actually really hard plastic. It's bulky, but hey, if you want to protect it, then you know, it's very open. This flappy thing, I guess, to protect the screen. Pack in three games and memory card. Pretty straightforward. Just try it for now. Well, this is like what, 26 bucks? This case was like, I don't know, 10. And it just fits right in. Give it a little push. Fits perfectly. Has those curves in here. Just lift it up for easy removal. And opposed, like in contrast, this one has four slots, and like this baggy thingy, just to make it stuff your things in there. But I kind of like this one better because it's like, you know, stuff in there. You know, it's always froze. Shove it in there. Yeah, like that, I guess. I don't even know. No, it goes like that. Wrong one. Shove it in there like that. And it fits right in. It's a pretty cool case. I mean, oh, this doesn't fit. Just goes right on. Has like this latchy thingy. So you open it, close, hook. Pretty cool. Really hard case. You know, so yeah, that's pretty much it. It's 25 bucks, taxes like 27. It's pretty good. I mean, if you want to protect your Vita and you know you're gonna break it, like I usually will, and I recommend you buy this. It's pretty good. PlayStation logo. It's the official stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, see you guys later.